Thank you for watching another episode of Stolas Reviews. This is what I want to call a Stolas Reviews one-off. I ordered this on Temu on accident. That app is crazy, I gotta tell you. Crazy! So, this I think is some type of like paper cardboard kind of model that you can build. The Tortuga Pirate Bay in this case. It actually might complement another build that we're finishing up, the JM Bricklayer Ghost Ship, the Flying Dutchman. So I don't know. I mean, I don't know what the size looks like compared to one compared to the other, but let's open up. This is going to be a quick unboxing of this guy, and we'll take a look at what we got on the inside, of course, and then decide what we're going to do with this thing. Let's see here. It also lists a couple pirate ships on the back, including the Flying Dutchman, which is the one I was just talking about. They must be paper versions of the same thing, I guess. Alrighty here. So here's the back side. Inside sides aren't that interesting. Front side's got your picture, of course. Top and bottom aren't done. Alright. Made supposedly by Cubic Fun. A lot of stuff on Temu is borrowed from other companies. Call it aggressively borrowed, maybe. Comes with this little Cubic Fun 3D hole puncher. Oh, I guess this is some kind of tool, I guess. Here is the instruction book. It is very pretty. It is a book format. Very glossy. It does try to show the different pieces by using different colors to illustrate each different piece. It does look a lot like a puzzle kind of format. Wish to say 3D puzzle, so that shouldn't be too surprising, I guess. Yeah, it's got the puzzle punching tool, which we will use to mount one thing into some other thing, apparently, it looks like. But it's not a long book. Looks like 11 pages. 12, 13, 14, 15 pages. Yeah. Okay. Let's take a look at these pages, or these cardboard sheets here. The printing on them is very colorful. I mean, nothing looks faded or looks cheap and crummy. I mean, it all looks pretty solid. Let's cut her open here and fan them out a little bit so you guys can see what they actually look like. I'm hoping this doesn't take long to make. I will go ahead and put it together, and I'm hoping it'll go quickly. And again, I'm hoping it kind of will be somewhere close in scale to the other thing, the pirate ship we're working on right now. That'd be kind of cool. So here we go. I'll just flip through them real quick here. Looks like maybe I'm upside down here. Certainly a number of pieces. Oh yeah, I mean the color on it is very good. Oh, sir. Are these... I guess these are going to be the sails, the paper sails maybe? Okay. I think I'm back at the beginning already. Maybe not. Hard to tell. Very hard to tell. Okay. So they're numbered 129, 135. Yep, definitely back at the beginning now. Yeah. Not much else in the box there, doesn't look like. So really just the instructions and the actual supplies there. And I'm guessing everything just punches out and then you just stick it together. Not sure. Doesn't say anything about needing glue or anything, so I'm guessing they're hoping to just hang together as it is. Oh yeah, so the stuff that says no tools, no gluing, and number 5 complexity for whatever scale that is. And then the total completion time is 180 to 220 minutes, it says. So it's good to know. I'll have to decide if I want to glue it or not. I probably won't. Probably won't. I don't know. Depends on how well it stays together, I guess. Alright, well thank you for watching another episode of Stolas Reviews. This is just kind of a one-off. I don't have any intention of really doing a whole lot of these paper ones unless they somehow turn out to be wildly popular on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to our channel. It's very helpful. We're almost at 50. We will been into September, which was our goal. We would like for you to help us blast right past that goal, though, please. And please consider supporting us on Patreon. We have a camera here that is having some serious trouble. In fact, it took me about 5 minutes just to get it up and running to do this video. If you subscribe to our Patreon, it's not something for nothing. For $3 a month, you get access to all of our videos, ad-free, and you can just take a look at which our videos and decide what you'd love to make next there with only for $3. I think it's not too bad a deal. Alright, well, thank you again for watching.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.